Oh, we've come such a long way. Watching these videos, I'm editing about 5 or 6 weeks back. The bathroom you see there is brand new now. I can't wait to show you. But I held on to that one. That was our last day with it, and then we went 6 weeks without a bathroom, going to the club every day. You're going to see me do a lot more demo in these two bathrooms, a lot of drywall. This was just to get the basics out of the way so the guys can come the day after this to cut up the floors. They're going to cut through that closet. I'm going to show you that. It's a pretty amazing process. And here's Norm, our lead plumber. He took us all the way to finish, trimmed out just the other day.
I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Wood Shop. Paulk Smart Bench, the Paulk Smart Station, as well as all the accessories that work with the system. If you'd like to get a set of detailed plans to build any or all of these for yourself, there's a link in the description of this video down below.
So with the plumbers on site, getting ready for the cutters to come and cut up our floors the next day, I am racing around to tear apart this bathroom. Part of my job here, instead of hiring somebody else to do that, I did hang on to this bathroom because once, in fact now as you're watching this video, it's done. We are without showers, without hot water, without toilets. We are at the mercy of going to the club. It ended up being great. I'll tell you, we've got two brand new bathrooms now with beautiful showers and everything is working. Brand new hot water tank. Can't wait to show you all that, but we got to go through the process here and live it as we did it doing the demo. So, I'm taking things apart and putting these cabinets out on the corner, and people are taking them. These are actually pretty nice cabinets. They're not what we want, but they are well built. Once I got the cabinets out, it exposed some black grime on the floor and behind the walls. And Chris likes to clean house even during construction, so she got some bleach cleaner in there and scrubbed everything up, even though I'm going to be tearing out quite a bit of that drywall. So this demo is just getting prepped for the plumbers and what they're going to do, or the floor cutters and all of that. I'll be jumping back in and cutting out a lot of drywall and doing a lot more demo before we start putting it back together and doing the wiring and the plumbing in the walls and all of those kind of things. So it will be interesting. I think you're going to like how these turned out, but you've got to go through the process with me as I catch these videos up and show you just how things went. And it's also interesting to show you 2 minutes what really was about an 8-hour day.
If you're enjoying these remodeling videos, then be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, when you subscribe, be sure to ring that notification bell so you'll know when I put up a new video. And there's a lot of videos to come. I'm trying to catch up right now, and I'm really excited to show you how a lot of this new stuff and this remodel bathrooms and everything is turning out. They are absolutely gorgeous, but I've got to put it up in order so you can see us tearing it apart and making it real ugly, making it right underneath before we made it beautiful. We've got a brand new t-shirt design that I absolutely love. I am a fanatic for old Volkswagen vans, surfboards, and the beach. So we took the Smart Wood Shop and gave it that Volkswagen van flair, put some surfboards on it, and tucked it under a palm tree with a nice shadow. If you want to get one of these t-shirts for yourself, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.